Kit and Coco.
Emu, Komodo dragon, zebra, ram, horse, crocodile, oryx, rhinoceros, budgerigar, tortoise, capybara, alligator, pangolin, emperor scorpion, llama, alpaca, moose, piranha, lion, tiger, black bear, king crab, dolphin, dog, manta ray, cheetah, daddy pig, polar bear, orca, leopard, green anaconda, Highland cow, sheep, tapir, camel, kiwi, koala, okapi, jaguar, fox, donkey, kangaroo, baby elephant, rhino beetle, octopus, sea turtle, howler monkey, sloth, duck-billed platypus, giraffe, black panther, white tiger, raccoon, hippopotamus, shoebill, ocelot, red panda, cow, frilled lizard, elephant, silverback gorilla, mummy pig, ostrich, tarantula, emperor penguin, mouse, echidna, baby polar bear, giant anteater, kookaburra, red squirrel, scorpion, panda, wombat, brown bear, baby leatherback sea turtle, fennec fox, puppy, baby jaguar, king penguin, hare, baby brown bear, piglet, baby gorilla, baby cheetah.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Kit and Coco.